Hi guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa bagong Filipino restaurant, Republic of Tuna. They are located at Al Nada, Dubai. And this is the kare-kare. Kare-kare. And this is the people. Say hi guys! Say hello to Brett and Aubrey on YouTube. Say hi. Hi, Papi. Say hi, Sha. And Kaya nga. So we are here at Republic of Tuna. Ayan guys, tayo ngayon. So this is the exact location of Republic of Tuna. Ayan, that's that. And if you're looking for a Filipino restaurant, you can come here po. They have here the tuna menu. And okay naman ang presyo. Okay ba ang presyo, Daddy Lord? Pwede na rin. Pwede na, yeah. And they have special, kasi Filipino food, medyo pricey. Okay. They have special, and this is their tuna menu for mga grilled special menu. They have sinampalokong, ulo ng kambing. Sinampalukan. And guys, yung sa mga taga-norte, ito, they have here. So, titikman natin mamaya, ha? Pansit batil patong. They have pansit batil patong. Pansit batil patong overload. Pansit palabok loving. So, it's like, take it to your house. Magkano take it to your house? Baka nasa 350? 30 to the house. 350, no? Guys, 400 pansit batil pato. Super ano na yun, super extra. Sa Philippines sa Tugigaraw, ang special yata nila is nasa magkano? O, 150. Pero to, so titikman natin to kung legit ba ang lasa niya. So, ito ang kare-kare. So guys, what can you say about the restaurant? Okay, yeah. Kasi it's they are new pa, kaya yun, medyo madaming tao at syempre medyo matagal, but let's see later.
Hi Kuya, siya po yung chef ng Republic of Tuna. Kuya, you invite them.
Punta na po kayo dito sa Republic of Tuna. Open po kami 10 to 10.
Yes, ang food ay masarap.
Thank you.
Galing ni chef.
Ako yung chef ng Republic of Tuna.
Yes.
Dinala ko dito sa Dubai yung Pansit Batil Patong.
Saan po kayo sa...
From Cagayan.
Oh,
Cagayan Valley.
saan po kayo sa Cagayan Valley?
Solana.
Taga Solana, Manimano.
May mga taga-Enrile din.
May taga-Enrile din. Oh, yun guys.
Cagayan.
Cagayan, hello. Yung mga taga-Norte, punta na dito, Cagayan Valley.
May Kichuin.
Yo, may Kichuin. I'm iwas man pansit da.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah. Okay.
Dumating na po yung jasmine rice nila. And here's guys, our calamari. So we will have food review later, okay? And then ito yung kanin nila.
This is sinaging na bangus.
This is sinaging na bangus. Here's the tinolang manok. Tinolang native na manok. So we have your tinolang manok na Tagalog. We have your sinigang na bangus. We have here kare-kare, calamari. So how's your food, guys? Delicious? Is it okay? How's the food, Brad? Good. How about you, Aisha? How's the food? What? How about you, Mommy? Daddy? Okay, mine is Toyo. Waiting for the pansit.
So guys, yung serving is worth it naman. What can you say about the food?
Delicious.
Delicious. Yeah, it's good naman. How is the kare-kare, ma'am?
Good.
Good. Everything is good. Pasado.
Because the chef is Filipino.
Yeah, pasado pa siya. Come, guys.
Ng sopa. Ayun ang toyo.
Kumuha ka na lang. Ayan yung sabaw. Guys, yung serving ay madami. So, mukha namang nasarapan siya. At naubos na. Madami lang po talaga yung serving. At ito, masarap siya. Madami lang po talaga yung serving. Ayan. So, ano masasabi niyo? Overall, what can you say? Oh, masarap. Harvey, what can you say? Good. Daddy, what can you say? Huh? What? Can you make it loud? Go, Daddy Lloyd. What can you say about the water? It's good. Yeah. Overall, it's good. Hey, Kairish. Kairish and Avril, what can you say about the food?
I will finish all the calamari.
Wow. Yeah, good. Good. And that's it for today, guys. Kung gusto nyo kumain dito sa Tuna Republic. They're Republic of Tuna. They're located at Al Nahda 1, Dubai, behind Sahara City Center. Kaya nga, lutang na. Ayun lang. That's it for today, guys. Bye! Ano?
Ang ending ni Mami yan, ang voice over niya.
Oh, I will voice over ko na. So, ayun guys. That's it for today. Interviewin ko si Kuya. Yan, dami. It's fully packed. Ayan guys. Kuya, come. Can you invite them?
Sorry?
Can I join you? Can I put in the vlog?
This guy.
Invite them.
This guy.
Where?
Chef? Chef?
Up. Yung sarap na silang kumain, pero yung order mo wala pa.
Matatapos na yung mga kasama ko. Hindi pa nag-open.
Hi, good. Hello, guys.